Natural gas is a wonderful gift nature has given us. Clean, efficient, and abundant. But when you combine the energy of natural gas with the human energy here at Washington Gas, something wonderful happens. You get safer energy, more reliable energy, sustainable energy. Through the hard work of experienced employees, efficient energy becomes warm shower energy, Friday night dinner energy, a better way to get to work energy. At Washington Gas, our job is to turn natural energy into some of the most productive energy on the planet, safely and dependably. Our employees do that better than anyone. And when they're done for the day, they still find time to help their neighbors, dedicating thousands of hours each year to those in need. We take pride in the tireless efforts of employees across our company to reach out into the community with a helping hand. As a company, we contribute human and financial resources to organizations focused on health, education, and the environment. At Washington Gas, we are committed to making sure that our customers and our community's needs are met in every way. Washington Gas. We are limitless energy.